Hi everybody, today we're going to be making a vegetarian breakfast sandwich. And what you will need is onion, jalapeno, tomato, avocado, spinach. To start, we're going to cut a few slices of onion and a few jalapeno slices, a few slices of aroma tomato. This tomato is very small, so we're going to need like four slices. And we're going to cut up an avocado, a half of an avocado. We're not going to even use a whole half, but almost a half of an avocado. And we're going to slice that avocado half into fairly thin slices. We're going to need about 7 slices or so, just enough to fill our bread, a slice of bread. And next you're going to need 2 slices of bread for your sandwich. I'm using Dave's Killer Bread. This is the 21 whole grains and seeds bread, and it's the best bread ever. I love this bread. And we're going to lightly toast it. You don't have to toast yours if you don't want to, but I just like to eat mine toasted. Then after the spinach, we're going to add the avocado. Once we add the avocado, we're going to sprinkle it with salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and everything bagel crunch. And the everything bagel crunch is just like Trader Joe's everything but the bagel. I got this everything bagel crunch from Sprouts, and I actually have both everything but the bagel and everything bagel crunch just to compare, and they taste exactly the same. So yeah, next we're going to add our tomatoes and jalapeno. And next we're going to cook our onion and our egg. And make sure you try to shape your egg into a round or oval shape, just so it'll fit nicely on the bread. And to the egg, we're going to add spicy garlic. This has salt in it, so you don't need to add salt. And we're also going to use Cajun Creole seasoning. After about 45 seconds or so, we're going to flip both our onion and egg. After you flip the egg, you only want to cook it for about 40 seconds because you want the inside or the yolk to be runny. And on top of the egg, we're going to add our onion, and we're going to also sprinkle a little bit of crushed red peppers. I prefer ghost pepper flakes, but I'm out, so this will have to do. And next we're going to make our veggie bacon strips. This is from Morningstar Farms, and this takes a total of about 1 minute to make. So it's going to cook for about 30 seconds on each side, and I just flip them with my hands. You don't need any kind of special tools. And then after it's done, you just want to add it to your sandwich. This sandwich is a really good way to get in vegetables at the first meal of the day, and it is also really delicious. And there you have it. You can either bite into it as it is, or you can cut it in half. As always, I hope you try it and enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching.